Who doesn't like making money? While one might say a great bank balance doesn't guarantee happiness, how good would it be to be not worrying about, say, paying back a loan or regretting buying something you really liked? Bottom line, making money is pretty cool. You know what's even cooler? Making money while you sleep. Has a nice ring to it, doesn't it? Passive income sort of makes that happen. It takes less effort, less time, and boom, you got some extra bucks coming after you toil hard at your main hustle. And today we're going to talk about some of the best passive income strategies out there. One, real estate investment. This one's quite easy to guess. Real estate has been a way to build wealth for a long time. These days, you got real estate investing apps that make it easier for you to create no-work, passive income. All you got to figure out is how much return you want on the investment, the total costs and expenses you might come across, and the financial risks. 2. Affiliate marketing. By now, we're sure that you have already heard about affiliate marketing. All you got to do is promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on your site or social media account. Once someone uses that link to buy the product, you get a few dollar bills right into your account. 3. P2P lending. In the top 3 strategies of passive income, P2P lending takes up the third spot. The idea is to lend money to individuals or a business. They then, of course, pay you back plus the interest. Expected returns are in the 5% range, which we consider far better than most national bank interest rates. 4. Invest in a high-yielding CD. CDs are simple, straightforward, and if we're being honest, there isn't anything more passive than CDs. You may consider CDs like saving accounts with a catch. The catch being that you can't touch your funds before they reach maturity, which is based on the time frame you set when you open the account. This time period can range from months to years. 5. Create a blog or a YouTube channel. Are you an expert on fitness, a good gamer, a sultan of dancing? A great idea is to take your passion for a subject and turn it into a blog or a YouTube channel, and even using ads or sponsors to generate your income. You can stick to any popular subject, even a small niche, and become an expert on it. This goes without saying that at first, you'll have to build out a suite of content and draw an audience, but it can create a steady income stream over time as soon as you become known for your engaging content. 6. Invest in a business. If you don't like the stock market, a better way to build passive income is to invest in tangible assets that you can see, understand, and watch grow over time. A great place where you can do all these is to invest in small businesses. If you come across the right entrepreneur with the right idea, there is no doubt that money is in their future. All you have to do is provide them the funds they need in order to grow, and who knows, you can even buy a share of the successful business in the future. 7. Rent your home. Do you have a place that's just collecting spiderwebs over the months, or a vacation home that you use probably once a year? Renting out your vacation home, house, apartment, or even a single room can be a stellar way to earn passively. Sites like Airbnb, Vacasa, and VRBO are highly trusted by travelers, and you get an opportunity to use what you already have to generate passive income. 8. Network marketing. Network marketing is basically a business model where independent contractors buy into a company. These people can then earn a commission on the products that they sell. You can profit by sharing the company's products with others. You can even use the products yourself, and you can go on to recruit others. Either way, you get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and have plenty of flexibility. 9. Start dropshipping. Dropshipping is another way to get money from the sidelines. To make money, you have to purchase items at a discount by working directly with a wholesaler. Your profit then comes from the difference between the initial item cost and whatever price you sell the item at. Start with a product that has a high demand and a low competition in the playing field. Amazon and eBay offer great dropshipping opportunities. So you're all set with some of the best strategies for generating passive income out there. However, the truth is that building a passive income stream usually isn't passive at first. It does require time, money, skills, or all three. But hey, it's a long-term choice that requires short-term trade-offs and brings you profits for years to come. So why not just start? Do let us know how it goes for you in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back very soon.